Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you how to manually adjust the fan curves on your Dell G15 laptop. I personally have a 5510 model, so I'm going to be showing you for that model specifically. I will leave a link to this driver's page in the description, but what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to download these two applications. First of all is the Alienware Command Center application, and then also the Alienware OC Controls application. So I already have both of those, so I'm not going to bother with that. I will just open up the Command Center application here quick. And I'll give it permission. Alright, that took about 2 minutes, so not too long at all. You just click through it, everyone knows how to use an installer. So we'll close this and we'll open the OC Controls one. This one is pretty short if I remember correctly, so I won't have to cut for this one. So I just hit install, click through it, easy. Alright, so it's going to ask you to restart your computer, so just hit restart and do that. I will meet you back here when I've finished that. We're back. So I've just restarted, and here I'm going to open the Alienware Command Center. If it's your first time, you're probably going to get a little permission thing down here that requires you to just give administrator permission. I don't, because obviously I've installed this before. But alright, so the app should reboot once while starting up for the first time. It's going to give you this error for no supported Alien effects devices. I have no idea what this means, but it doesn't matter, so we'll just close out of everything. I'm going to switch it to dark because this is hurting my eyes. So we're going to go over to Fusion here and hit this thermometer icon, and we're going to make a new profile here. And I'm just going to call mine 100. I have the other one up there. This tutorial has failed once already. So yeah, we have 100-1, and over here we're going to go to advanced on both of our our CPU fan and GPU fan, and we're going to hit smooth align. You can set this to whatever you want, but I just want my fans to run at 100% all the time, so I'm going to set it to that. I have a large box fan in my room, so I can't even hear it over that, so might as well. Alright, so both of our fans for this profile are set up to be 100% all the time. In order to enable this profile, we're going to hit on this little link icon and hit active default, and then hit OK. And you should see your fan speed gradually ramping up. Okay, cool. So we can see that it's working. If you want this to constantly work whenever you sign on to your computer, then you're going to go up to this little settings icon and hit profiles, and then do auto profile default, change it to whatever you made your thermal profile, hit balanced here, and then we can close out of that. And that's all I have for you today. This should work for you. If not, then just leave a comment and I'll try to help you the best I can. Thanks. See ya.